Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you all once again to this channel. Today I'm going to make a video on our VESTA software where we will see how to pack more than one unit of a molecule. Suppose someone is working on the polymer or any other complicated structure, then suppose we have a per single unit of that polymer, then how can we include another unit into the same cell? That we will see in today's video. So for that, here I have taken this zirconium tetrakis dimethyl dimethylamide, and this is the XYZ file that I have taken, and I have only created this structure. And this is zirconium, and these four are nitrogen. Then these CH3 groups are also connected to the nitrogen atoms over here. And first is I'm going to save this file as a vast postcard file. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So now I will open the file that we have saved now. So this is our structure file. So now what we have to do first? So this is our single unit file. We need to also include another unit of same kind in the same box. So for that it may require a longer box size or something like, because this molecule is very big, so we need to have a bigger cell for that. So first what I will do, I am going to export this postcard again into the Cartesian coordinate so that we can change our post like we can change the cell size over there. So now let me go to desktop, and here I'm opening the file that we have saved now as Cartesian. And here instead, suppose we have this ABC value as 9.4953, something like this. Suppose I'm changing it from 9 to suppose 15. Along all the three direction I'm changing 15.4395. So here we are done with. Let's save this, and I'm going to open the edited postcard that we like, edited Cartesian coordinate postcard. Yeah. So this is like what we got after increasing the cell parameters. Okay. So now what we can do, so here there is an option in the edit. You can go to edit data. Here in the page, what we can do, here we will import another structure. So the another structure that we will import, like this one, the initial one that we have saved, this is not with the elongation of the lattice. This is the simple that we have saved from the xyz file. So I'm opening that, and here if I will click on apply, you see the another box came. That means both the atoms are now overlapped to each other. So here if I will give some numbers, so here you can see, suppose I'm giving the value over here is 7, clicking on apply. Now on this direction you see like both the molecules are now little bit separated. And suppose here I will put any number, you if you want you can put, suppose I'm putting 5 over here. So now see what is happening, like it is little bit like changed towards the x direction. And suppose here I will put any other number, suppose 4, like just any random number I'm putting. And here also you can do little bit lower value, so that otherwise this molecule is going out of the box. So okay, so based on various number and the combination of these numbers along x and x, y and z direction, you can like try with the with different numbers so that the atoms will present in the cell that we have chosen initially. Okay, so this way we have seen that all like these two such unit of this molecule is now confined in the same cell. Now after apply, okay, so now what we want to save this file so that we can use it for later time. So here in the option you can go to export data, and here I am writing this name as both, save. And here we can, you can also use Cartesian if you want to change the this unit cell values, like the cell values, you can also save it to Cartesian. No issue in even in saving in fractional coordinate. Here the option you have to choose as output coordinates of all the displayed atoms, then click on OK. And now I'm going to open that both file that we have saved now. Yeah. So now you see, like, two units of the same molecule is now confined within this particular box. Okay, so this way you can do. And if you want another molecule to present somewhere here, so wherever you want to keep, you can keep it. And based on that, and based on your molecular structure and all, you can also vary, you can also change your box size and all. Okay, so yeah. So with this, this tutorial is completed, and thank you all, and bye bye.